Thank you for coming to our YouTube. The purpose of this video is to record in advance prediction data for the earthquake with a magnitude 7 plus or minus 0.5 on the Japanese seismic intensity scale. The posting date and time of YouTube cannot be edited. In other words, this YouTube is the evidence that we have predicted it in advance. After checking the posting date of YouTube, please check if there are any earthquakes that correspond to the prediction date. And you can become a member and view advanced earthquake predictions by promising not to spread the information to unspecified number of people on SNS. If you would like to view the earthquake prediction, please fill in your name, address, phone number, and send email to the address below to get the password. taksways@niigatachno.com.
Outline of earthquake prediction as of September 25th, 2024. Expected period: October 22nd to November 1st, 2024. Expected epicenter: First candidate represented locations: Maribo or Grapevine, CA. Second candidate represented locations: New Mexico or Texas. Third candidate represented locations: Puerto Rico or Dominican Rep. Expected scale: magnitude 6.9 plus or minus 0.5. Probability: 18%.
Taksways Earthquake Forecast Tax Arc 2024. Operated by Nagata Techno Corporation Limited.